Vegetarian burgers have seen a recent surge in popularity in Taiwan, which has led to an increase in the number of young people adopting a vegetarian diet. Vegetarian burgers are appealing because of their flavor and their flexibility as grab-and-go foods. This means they are greatly contributing to the growth of vegetarian culture. This vegan hamburger spot I'll visit today has become a hit in Taiwan's tech hub Hsinchu and is a favorite of many tech nouveau riche. So what's the reason for this? Let's find out together. Peace Vegan, founded by Todd and Peggy, is a vegan burger joint that sells a variety of delicious plant-based burgers, along with a wide range of vegan-friendly ingredients, both aimed at promoting sustainable agriculture practices and environmental health. Formerly an engineer, Todd was born and raised in a family that ran a vegetarian ingredient supply business. Later, he met his wife Peggy, who is also a vegetarian. When vegan diets started to become trendy, they decided to start their own vegan business. Their vegan burgers are developed using non-GMO ingredients, from the burger patty to the bacon and even eggs. All their burger components are 100% plant-based. Even the eggs are made from plants? That's right, these are plant-based eggs. You must be curious about the differences between vegan and regular burgers. Here we have Peace Vegan's signature burger, the beef and egg burger with cheese, made by Peggy, one of the founders of Peace Vegan. The hamburger bun is toasted and spread evenly with homemade mayonnaise, then topped with fresh lettuce. The vegan egg and soy-based patty are each pan-fried for 2.5 minutes. Then, the pickle slices, mustard, and ketchup are added. The entire cooking process only takes about 10 minutes. I really can't tell the difference between this vegan burger and a regular one.
Actually, I was thinking to myself, Peace Vegan, like, who are their customers? Because a lot of their food looks like as if it's got meat in it, which normally, from my understanding, vegetarians don't really have that appetite to eat eggs or meat, you know? So I thought, actually, it's kind of targeting someone like me. I wouldn't consider myself fully vegetarian. Well, let's give this one a try. I feel like I'm eating a burger at McDonald's. Oh, and the ketchup and the mustard and the meat patty. Yeah, I don't know if vegetarians would want something like this, but for me, this is brilliant. I could be vegetarian too if I ate this all the time. There's actually egg in here too. The texture pretty much tastes like your normal sunny side up egg. If you gave me two to pick from, I don't think I could tell you which one is which.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, Todd collaborated with Taiwan's Industrial Technology Research Institute to create a plant-based egg that is cholesterol-free, gluten-free, and rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. It contains 5.5 grams of protein per egg, making it a more nutritious and healthier alternative to regular eggs. The egg whites are made from a mixture of seaweed protein and soy protein. As for the egg yolk, can you guess which vegetables they used? The three key ingredients in these egg yolks are carrots, pumpkin, and mung bean. Taiwanese people commonly use mung beans to make sweet soup during summer, which they eat to prevent water retention and heat stroke. Mung beans provide numerous health benefits. They are known to reduce fever, lower blood pressure, alleviate hunger, and decrease the risk of colon cancer. The Compendium of Materia Medica refers to mung beans as a good grain for the world. The vegan egg yolks are made by first peeling and dicing the pumpkin and carrot. Then they are steamed and pureed. Freezing the diced pumpkin and carrot in advance can help accelerate their molecular changes. To prepare the mung beans, they are first deshelled and soaked in water for 2 hours. Then the beans are steamed along with the pumpkin and carrot. Mung beans lend a delicate, chewy texture to the egg yolk, which is similar to that of a real egg. During the last step, seasoning, they add ginger powder, salt, canola oil, tapioca starch, tofu skin, and hydrolyzed soy protein to improve the flavor. It is remarkable how delicate and complex this plant-based egg is. You could say that its texture and flavor are created through a process of molecular gastronomy. This plant-based burger is not only delicious, but also nutritious. It can be easily prepared at home as well, so anyone can become a vegan burger chef in their own kitchen.
So really, all you need to do is just buy these ingredients here, and then you can bring it home and make it yourself, which is what I'm going to do right here for y'all. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first thing you do is you spread the mayonnaise onto the bread.
这个也是 vegan 的，就是 no egg, no milk. 接下来我们来放菜。
And then now we use the lettuce, but we're gonna have to fold it so it fits
好，
in the burger.
然后放个蛋。
Okay. And then we put the sauce. Very little, she says, so we're gonna use the back of the spoon and go a little whoosh.
对。
Enough? Too much? Okay,
刚好
perfect,
perfect.
perfect. This is the teriyaki sauce. And then now we have the bacon. Looks a lot like bacon. My first vegan burger. And it was so simple because it's plant-based, so you don't really have to worry about if the meat is cooked right or too much or overdone. Amazing. It's pretty much bacon. Almost is bacon. It's got a little chewy at the fatty part too. And I guess on the plus side, it's not as oily as your normal bacon. So why don't you just hop on the plant-based bacon route?
Next up, an original Taiwanese hamburger flavor. Can you tell what it is?
The next burger we're gonna make is the tofu burger. Here we go. Back with mayonnaise. And then we add the cucumbers on the top. Ta-da! And then we add the lettuce. And then we add the tomato. The plant-based patty, which is actually made from soybeans. And then we add some sauce. This is actually the French mustard sauce. Last but not least, we have fried tofu. Wow, look at this burger. Wow. This is so interesting. I've never had tofu in a burger before. I'm excited to try.
Both the burger patty and the tofu are made from soy, but they have different textures. The patty is chewier, while the tofu is tender and juicy. You can taste the flavors of cucumber, tomato, and Dijon mustard in every bite. It's light and refreshing, yet also energizing.
we're gonna make the cuttlefish sandwich. So yes, again, we go for the mayonnaise. And then we go for the shredded cabbage. Okay, and then we're gonna add the cucumber on the other slice of the toast. And then we add the fried cuttlefish. It really tastes like you're biting into like calamari almost. And then we add some tartar sauce. And then we take this, the one with the cucumber, we put it on top. Oh wow, I laugh because it tastes so much like a fish burger. I could be vegetarian too. Just buy all these ingredients and then I can make them as well. And so fast too, because it's not really animal protein, so you don't have to worry about how well you cook it. And for someone that's lazy, super fast, wow.
These vegan hamburgers are tastier and healthier than meat, making it easier than ever for meat lovers to consider eating plant-based. Veganism is not just a diet, but also a lifestyle and a set of values that reflect our concern for the planet and our empathy toward animals. By taking real actions towards sustainability, we can make a positive impact, starting with our next meal.